Greetings, tech enthusiasts. This is your entryway into an innovative world. Here, we delve deeply into the realm of cutting-edge technology, from thorough analysis to innovative tech experiments. Prepare to push the limits. Grab your nerdy glasses because today we're going deep into the cosmos, or more precisely, the KOSMOS 2. We have a brand new tech marvel fresh from Microsoft's Space Kitchen. A multimodal big language model kicking up some serious cosmic dust. I can hear you thinking and see the bewildered expressions on your faces. So let's dissect it. What does the term multimodal mean? It is an AI capable of accepting input in more than just text. You can feed an image into KOSMOS 2 and voila, you get a response, a very thorough description. It's likely you finally found a friend who understands your carefully chosen memes. This is the next enormous leap. Let's say giga leap for AI technology people. Furthermore, this is not a fancy scholarly paper. You may test out KOSMOS 2 for yourself. The nerds at Microsoft have approached the problem of image identification in a fairly novel way, pushing the envelope and perhaps establishing a trend for AI in the future. You ask, how is that? Let's examine the details. KOSMOS 2 is focused on how readers perceive object descriptions and how to contextualize text with regards to images. To put it another way, it's about starting the process of developing an AI friend who can genuinely comprehend our crazy, chaotic environment. The goal is to create the foundation for embodied AI, or AI that is more in tune with reality. And it goes beyond simply comprehending images. This bad boy's goal are language-convergent, multimodal perception, action, and world modeling. The genuine VIP, very important process, on the path to creating an AI superior to humans in every aspect is right here. Let's now see KOSMOS 2 true capabilities in more detail. Imagine a scenario where AI acts as your personal investigator, unlocking the mysteries in your photos. KOSMOS 2 is capable of everything, including finding an emoji's left eye. Yes, this AI can play I Spy. Identifying and counting cows in a jungle, for when you need to check if your virtual farm is in order. And reading a signboard text in an image. It's comparable to an all-seeing eye, but without the unsettling, dystopian overtones. KOSMOS 2 doesn't stop there in its desire to brag. It's all about comprehension. It can understand why a fast turtle is unusual. Not that we don't love a good rabbit and tortoise story. It can tell what's happening in an image, like a buoy attached to a boat. Kid's fishing trip gone wrong. It can even tell the difference between two bottles, even better than some sommeliers I know. The brilliance of KOSMOS 2 rests in its capacity to comprehend as well as to recognize. The AI digs deeper and picks up on the subtleties rather than simply saying, oh, hey, there's a chair, when it encounters an image, comparable to the distinction between recognizing your partner's angry expression and comprehending their frustration with you. In low-visibility situations, it not only recognizes a plane wreck and divers, but also responds in detail. Do you need to find the football in a picture? You're in good hands with KOSMOS 2. However, there are still limitations. For instance, if the resolution is inadequate or the visual context is overly abstract, it may have trouble identifying an image. When asked to describe a scene or infer context, it occasionally becomes a little perplexing. It's similar to asking your grandmother to describe the plot of Inception. She makes an effort, but it's not always successful. The real surprise is that KOSMOS 2 is a game changer, even with its drawbacks. It involves more than just object recognition or even picture comprehension. It's about bridging the linguistics and perceptual divide, which has been a major obstacle for AI. Its potential opens up a world of incredible possibilities. The applications are as varied as the cosmos themselves, ranging from helping those who are blind to serving as a visual search engine to maybe being utilized in surveillance systems and even in advanced robotics. KOSMOS 1 is a groundbreaking multimodal language model developed by Microsoft and released last year. It was trained on enormous amounts of web data, including text, images, and combinations. It was adept at generating narratives based on photos, creating captions, and responding to inquiries regarding images. However, KOSMOS 1 had some drawbacks, especially when comprehending and relating visual information to Illustrate. The newest version of Microsoft's MLM, KOSMOS 2, adds a function called grounding. By using words or coordinates to refer to a specific picture area, KOSMOS 2 can engage with images more precisely and meaningful. As a result, KOSMOS 2 is more accurate and dynamic than prior MLLMs, allowing for more conversational-like engagement. How does KOSMOS 2 establish grounding? In Cosmos 2, a picture is divided into squares and represented as a checkerboard. Each square receives a unique tag, appropriately appended to the picture description. In this approach, Cosmos 2 makes connecting words with specific elements of a picture simpler, enhancing communication between humans and machines. Cosmos 2 excels in tasks like processing languages and recognizing phrases and images. It routinely performs better than alternative models. For instance, compared to the top other model scores of 78.4% and 86.7%, it achieves 91.3% accuracy in locating phrases and images. The features and benefits of Cosmos 2 can be customized to meet your needs. It can create in-depth image captions, respond to inquiries about particular areas, and carry out logical or mathematical operations depending on particular areas in an image. With the help of AI, blind individuals could be helped, kids could acquire new ideas, and storytellers could create more engaging works of fiction. Microsoft has made a Cosmos 2 online demo available on GitHub, allowing you to interact with the model and evaluate its functionality. You can use the included photographs or upload your own, and you can text or voice chat with the model to ask them questions or give instructions. The demo is a lot of fun to use and play with. You can experiment with various situations and assignments to observe how Cosmos 2 reacts to them. A notable feature of Cosmos 2 is its superior zero-shot capabilities, according to comparisons of Cosmos 2 with benchmark models like VisualBit, KIP, Vilbert, and GPT-4. This indicates that the model has depth in conducting tasks without any specific training or examples relevant to the activity, utilizing its general knowledge or pre-trained abilities to generate outputs for novel tasks. In addition to its abilities in picture analysis, Cosmos 2 excels at text recognition. Its skills to recognize and forecast text are comparable to those of ChatGPT, making it clear that it's more than just an image classifier. With Cosmos 2, we're getting a peek into the future. It offers a glimpse into the future in which AI is used to comprehend the world in all of its multimodal splendor, rather than just parse text. One image at a time, the goal is to make sense of the world as it pertains to humans. And keep in mind that this is simply a stop along the way to more advanced AI systems. It's not the end point. The future? Perhaps Cosmos 3 will have the capacity to comprehend and value abstract art, or even better, will be able to tell you what your cat is thinking when it gives you that look. Artificial intelligence appears to have a promising future, and keep in mind that we are all just stardust in the vast technological cosmos. Salute to Cosmos 2 and the opportunities it offers. We want to hear what you feel about Cosmos 2. Kindly leave your thoughts in the comments, and make sure you have watched similar videos on our channel. Remember to subscribe to stay updated on the latest tech trends. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.